So we're going to be applying all of the exponent rules that we've learned so far. So for the first problem here, y to the negative 3 times y to the 7th power. When we multiply, we add the exponents. So this would give us y to the 4th. And then we're going to take that to the 9th power. And power to a power, we multiply. So 4 times 9 is 36. And our answer then would be y to the 36th power. So the next one, we start out with y to the 3rd to the 4th power. Power to a power, we multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have y to the 12th times y to the negative 7. And when we multiply, we add. So really 12 plus a negative 7, same thing as 12 minus 7, which is going to be 5. And our answer then will be y to the 5th power. For the next question, we have y to the 6th to the 0 power. We do have the option of doing 6 times 0, which is 0. So we have y to the 0 times y to the 5th. Do note that any number to the 0 power except for 0 to the 0 is going to be equal to 1. So it's really 1 times y to the 5th, which is just y to the 5th power. In the bottom left one over here, we have z to the 2nd power to the 4th power. Power to a power we multiply, so that's going to give us z to the 8th power. And then we have z to the 3rd to the 2nd power. Power to a power, we still multiply. That's going to give us z to the 6th power. Then when we multiply, we add the exponents. 8 plus 6 is 14. This one, we're going to divide. And when we divide, we subtract the exponents, top minus the bottom. So y to the 5th divided by y to the 2nd power, that's going to be y to the 3rd. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then we have y to the 9th divided by y to the 6th. When we divide, we subtract the exponents. 9 minus 6 is 3. So now power to a power, y to the 3rd to the 2nd power, we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. And then y to the 3rd to the 5th power, 3 times 5 is 15. And finally, when we multiply, we add the exponents, and 6 plus 15 is 21. So our answer is y to the 21st power. And for this last one, simplify what's in the parentheses first. X to the 5th times x to the 8th. We add the exponents. That's going to give us x to the 13th. Still got that to the 6th power. Then for the denominator, x squared times x to the 4th. We add the exponents. That's going to give us x to the 6th power. X to the 13th to the 6th power, multiply. 13 times 6 is 78. And for the denominator, we have 6 times 2, which is 12. And finally, when we divide, we subtract the exponents. So 78 minus 12 is 66. And our answer is going to be x to the 66th power. If you have any kind of questions, ask your math teacher.